What if your height isn't just genetics, but a posture you haven't unlocked yet? What if the weight of the day is literally pressing you down? In this video, you'll learn 6 powerful methods to decompress your spine, strengthen your foundation, and stand in your full, natural height. Welcome to Zen in Strength, where we build resilient bodies and focused minds. The philosophy here is simple. True stature isn't just measured in inches. It's the quiet confidence of a straight spine and the power of a body moving as one. Today, we reclaim the height that is rightfully yours. The 3 pillars we'll focus on are decompression, alignment, and integration. We'll explore 2 exercises for each. First, the gravity decompression and the lateral expansion. The gravity decompression, bar hang. This is your active surrender to gravity. Instead of letting it compress you, you use it to create space. Feel each vertebra gently separating. This is the moment of release, letting go of the day's pressures, literally and figuratively. Find a stable bar. Grip it with palms facing away, hands shoulder width. Lift your feet and hang freely. Relax your shoulders, keep your body straight, no swinging. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds. This passively tractions your spine and stretches the lat muscles. The lateral expansion, side stretch. We often forget our body has width as well as height. This stretch awakens the often tight intercostal and oblique muscles, creating space in your entire thoracic cage. Breathe deeply into the expansion. Stand tall, feet shoulder width. Raise your arms overhead, palms together. Keeping your hips square and legs straight, slowly bend to the right. Hold for 15 to 20 seconds, feeling the stretch along your left side. Return to center and repeat on the other side. Now moving to the second, the upward reach and the core kick. The upward reach, palm tree pose. This is the embodiment of reaching for the sky. It's a full body stretch that connects your breath to movement, promoting spinal awareness from your tailbone to your fingertips. Visualize yourself growing like a tall, strong tree. Stand with feet slightly apart, interlock your fingers, and press your palms toward the ceiling. Inhale as you rise onto your toes, balancing for 10 to 15 seconds. Exhale as you lower. This strengthens your calves, ankles, and core while elongating the spine. The core kick, alternate leg kicking. This is about dynamic tension and control. It's not a wild kick. Focus on the precise engagement of your core to maintain balance and the conscious stretch of your hamstring with each movement. Stand tall, shift weight to your left leg, lift your right knee, and extend your leg forward in a controlled kick. No locking the knee. Return to the start and alternate. Keep your torso upright. This dynamically stretches the hamstrings and hip flexors, key muscles for pelvic alignment. And the third part, the explosive grounding and the posterior chain. The explosive grounding jump squat. Power comes from the ground up. This exercise teaches your body to absorb force with control and then project it upward. The focus is on a soft, quiet landing, mastering the impact, not just surviving it. From a standing position, lower into a squat. Explode upward, jumping as high as you can. Land softly back in the squat position, knees tracking over toes. This builds powerful legs and glutes that support proper posture. The posterior chain, dry land swimmer. This is the final integration. By engaging your entire backside in a rhythmic flow, you reinforce the muscular corset that holds you upright. It's about connecting your limbs through a strong, stable core. Lie on your stomach, arms and legs extended. Engage your glutes and lower back. Simultaneously lift your right arm and left leg a few inches off the ground. Hold for a second, lower with control, and alternate sides. This builds essential strength in the posterior chain to counteract slouching. So remember, the key is to approach this not as a frantic search for inches, but as a practice of decompression, alignment, and integration. This connects to our philosophy because your true height is the expression of a body that is both strong and mindful, where every muscle knows its purpose and your spine is free to carry you with dignity. Let me know in the comments, which of these 6 exercises made you feel the most open and powerful? Subscribe to Zen and Strength for more practices that unite the body and mind. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, stay mindful.